On June 20th, 2019, we began our Camino Norte in Irun. The day was so quiet as we ascended into the fog, cresting over the ridge to get to San Sebastian. We only saw 2 other hikers that day, spending most of our time with the sheep and the horses.
Hi friends! What about the little one? Oh, oh.
Get ready to take a picture.
We're going up into that. So we're hiking the tall route apparently, and we've made our way into the clouds. It's pretty misty up here. Where is she? Is she up there? She's already in the clouds because there's no one up here. It's been like the calmest day on any Camino we've done. So day 1, there's like 3 of us up here. Look at them all asleep. Pretty steep downhill, especially in a little bit of mud, but it's not too bad. But yeah, if you got bad knees like me, the downhill's a little bit. So it's day 1. We're just sort of trekking along, getting close to San Sebastian. There's a really steep uphill, steep downhill. We skipped breakfast, which was a super big mistake. But we got coffee and a real good tortilla in this little town. And now I'm just, you know, just flexing, keeping my legs strong, getting ready for the next part.
San Sebastian is one of our favorite cities in northern Spain. We stayed 3 nights in an Airbnb with our favorite host, Monica. We stayed with her 2 years ago and became friends. Monica took us out to PINTXO Pote in her neighborhood, Gros.
PINTXO Pote is where all the bars in the area. On Thursday night, all the bars do a special where it's a drink and a PINTXO for $2.50 to €3.
What's a PINTXO?
PINTXO is like a tapa, but it's a Basque region they call it.
You said that so good?
Yeah, and it's a little, like a little bite.
In San Sebastian, Sean surfed. I had some quality beach time. We visited the cathedral, ate tons of pinchos, and attempted to pour ourselves Basque sidra, the local cider.
Is. No. Wrong way, bud.